Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how to answer the BMAT 2008 Section 2, Question 14. So we're given this reaction where we have carbon monoxide plus steam is in equilibrium with carbon dioxide plus hydrogen gas, with the enthalpy change exothermic. So we asked which change would result in more carbon monoxide being removed. And here we're given 5 changes that we need to consider. But before we start, we know we're dealing with an equilibrium here, so we know we're going to be dealing with Le Chatelier's principle, and Le Chatelier's principle states that if a dynamic equilibrium is disturbed by changing the conditions, the position of the equilibrium moves to counteract the change. So using this, we can now answer the question. So for A, adding a catalyst. So we know that adding a catalyst speeds up the rate of both the forward and backward reactions. However, it has no effect on the equilibrium position, so this wouldn't result in more CO being removed. So now we look at changing the pressure. So we know that when we increase the pressure, the equilibrium will shift to the side with fewer moles of gas to produce less molecules. And on the other hand, when we decrease the pressure, the equilibrium will shift to the side with more moles of gas to produce more molecules to increase the pressure. However, in this case, changing the pressure will have no effect on the equilibrium, as we have the same number of moles of gas on both sides. So it cannot be B or C. Next, we'll look at decreasing the temperature. So decreasing the temperature favors the exothermic reaction, as it wants to generate heat to increase the temperature again. We can see that our forward reaction is exothermic, so our equilibrium will shift to the right, which means that we will remove carbon monoxide. So our answer here will be D. So that means that E is wrong, and this is because adding nitrogen at constant pressure will have no effect, as nitrogen doesn't take part in the reaction. It just floats around minding its own business.